meteorologist Matt Holliner.
6:15 this morning. Thanks for waking up with us. First, an update on the tropics. Still watching that disturbance, and that's all it is right now, but I don't think it's going to be a disturbance much longer, because though it's not a very big system, look how there's definitely a uniform center to the cloud cover. Now we have to look for that low-level circulation, but it's certainly got a spin to it. The clouds are more organized, so we think it is likely this is going to at least become a tropical depression. In fact, a lot of the models say it's going to become Tropical Storm Josephine. Notice the chance of development 70%, but as I mentioned yesterday, notice that the chance of development for the next 2 days is the same as the next 5 days. That's because for the next 2 days, all the conditions are there for this to become a tropical storm. But after the next 2 days, as we get towards the weekend, the conditions change. There's a wind shear across the Caribbean. There's some dry air in the Caribbean, so this may form, but a lot of the models say it's going to fizzle out. Some say it does stay together. So if it stays together, does it reach the U.S.? Well, let's take a look at where all the models take it. And the good news is, even for the Caribbean, it looks like it's mainly going to miss land. Got to watch out for these islands here, the Lesser Antilles. But notice there's only one model right now that brings it into the Caribbean, which would increase the threat for the U.S. Notice how the vast majority of the models turn it to the north well before getting close to the U.S. So right now, this does not look like a threat to the U.S. Could this change? Yes. But right now, this is a week out, by the way. This is next Tuesday, not today, next Tuesday. So we have plenty of time to watch this, and if anything changes, we'll be sure to let you know. But right now, nothing to worry about. And it may not even hold together. It may not even be there a week from now. So just to be clear, looks like a low threat at this time. Sea breeze once again today. Just like we saw yesterday, there were a few showers that popped up, and it's going to happen again today, which means most are going to stay dry, but I do want to give you a heads up, especially for Cameron and Willacy County, you might briefly get some rain. And for most, the rain chance is going to begin around noon. I can't rule out a couple showers right along the coast before then, but for most, it's not going to be until about noon where you have that rain chance. Best chance probably about 2 o'clock this afternoon. Notice mainly Cameron and Willacy County. It's going to try and push west, but really going to struggle. I'll leave in the chance at 4 o'clock, but by 6 o'clock, rain chance is over with. Most are just going to see partly to mostly sunny skies today. And yes, it's going to be a hot day. Highs around 97. Feels like temperatures around 104. A breezy day, though. Gusts around 20 miles per hour. Now, those winds will die down tonight, just 5 to 10. Mostly clear much of the night, completely dry. Eventually, partly cloudy skies. A warm night. Another one. Lows around 79. The good news is we've got one more rain chance for tomorrow, but then completely dry weather Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Glad to finally put some dry conditions on your First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast. More news in just a bit.